It's another great day. It's a great summer day. It's August. It's Stapp Interstate Toyota. I'm Mike Schultz, Fixed Operations Director, here to tell you about something very special for the month of August. This month we are featuring Genuine Toyota replacement batteries, Toyota's TrueStart battery for $20 off. Now that special is only available in the month of August 2021. So please take advantage of that right away. Just a quick note for you about batteries. No longer do batteries give you much of a warning if they're going to fail. They're more like a light bulb. They either work or they do not. The reason is there's a significant amount of electronics on your car. If the battery doesn't have sufficient voltage to fire all those electronics, the vehicle will not start. Consider replacing your battery every 4 years, whether it still works or not. I can tell you I do. In addition, this Toyota TrueStart battery comes with a phenomenal prorated warranty from Toyota. So I urge you to schedule online at interstatetoyota.com. Thank you. We'll be seeing you soon.